Hi, in today's video, I wanted to go through organizing your Vimeo account because once you start recording lots and lots of videos, it can get a little bit unwieldy and you can organize your account so it looks much better and you can find the videos that you are looking for. So that's what we're going to be discussing in today's video. Hi, my name is Jason Kruger and I help heart-centered businesses build and automate their online marketing systems. Now, in today's video, I wanted to quickly go through how to organize your Vimeo account, because once you start creating more and more videos, you want to organize it so that you can find where those videos are in your account a lot easier. I'm just going to share my screen now and we're going to go through my Vimeo account. Here we are in my Vimeo account and it is a bit of a mess at the moment. I don't have a lot of organization in here. And if I go here to the left-hand side here where it says videos, I have created some folders in there just to show you what could happen if you already have folders already created and how you would organize those. So I've created this folder called clients. Now it's been in my account for a few weeks now. I haven't done anything with it, but I now want to organize some of my videos, and I've got a few client videos in here that I want to just move in there so that I can then use the folders to find the videos in the future. So all I need to do is I'm just going to click on videos here. So it just shows me all my videos and I can then just select the ones that I want to move. So let's say I want to take this one and this one. I can then say move and then just click on the clients folder and click on confirm. Now those videos will be in that folder. So if I click on there now, you can see those ones are there. Now, if you wanted to create a new folder and then add new videos to that, you can just click on new folder, give it a name. So let's just call this one demo for now. And then click on create. Now I've created that folder. And if I wanted to upload some new videos to it, all I need to do is click on the upload button and then find those videos on my PC and they will upload to that folder. Or because there's nothing in here at the moment, I can just click on add videos and then I can go through my account and choose which ones I want to move to this folder. So let's take another one here, for example. Let's take this one and click on add. So that has now added that into that folder. Now, if I just click on videos, I can go through all of these now and then start to organize all my videos so that I know where all my clients' videos are or my project videos might be for various projects. And it just allows me to organize my account so that in the future, if I've created client videos and I need to see all my client videos, I can just click on that folder and all my client videos will be there. And I don't have to go and search through potentially hundreds of videos just all in my account. So if you are using Vimeo, then this is a great way to make sure that your account is organized. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick little tutorial. It's been a very quick video because there's not much I can really show you. Create the folder and then you can just move videos into there that you have already created, or you can create new folders and upload new content to it as well. And I do urge you to try and make sure that you are organizing your Vimeo account, because when you start creating more and more videos, it just makes it easier to manage. So I hope you've enjoyed this little tutorial, and if you do like the content, then please click on that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you get notified when I next post a video or when I next go live. So I hope to see you on the next one.